Okay, so this is the Maxwell internal video for how to kind of fix or install these door units for the Ford Transit. Now, one thing I did, because I wouldn't recommend any more of these single motor units. We should always do the dual, because this just isn't a wide enough area to slide smoothly on the track. There's all this slop in it, so I added a zip tie to like help reduce the slop here. That helped a little bit. The other thing is that this bracket needs to be flipped, like installed like this, and we have 2 screws going through, 2 in the back. That's what it looks like on the back side. And you need to trim those in the back. They have to be short, so trim them so that the door doesn't interfere. Now when this shuts, you'll watch. So this door stopper, this piece in the door stopper should be there. You adjust this kind of loosely with the motor not engaged, and then adjust the length looking at the outside of the door to make sure that the door is fully shut. It should end up like this when it's shut. You'll see in this back area too, I had to trim it out, the plastic panel around that, and I just cut this door trim. I just cut this a little bit here. Really easy, which is with a pair of snips. But this is the part where you need to trim all around to ensure clearance. Now this bolt, you don't really need to, like, it's easy to take this bolt out when the door is slightly ajar. So if we open it, you'll see. But yeah, trim all the way around for that plastic there, and make sure that this isn't hitting anything. We had to actually bend this bracket straight. You see how it's bent inwards a little bit towards the outside of the vehicle? It was bent more than that, and it was just not causing the door to shut very well, because this screw is pretty long, almost like it just wasn't working out. So I bent this a little bit more flat so that it can put more pressure out like this way when it's shut, to help pull the door shut a little bit more. So now we have it working pretty well. The one thing I'm going to do here at the end that I would suggest is like using some of the WD-40 white lithium grease, the light spray version, and I'm going to grease the top of this track here, only the top. You don't need to do the gears. Lightly grease that, and that should be working great.